Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're tired of having coconut chutney, kara chutney, tomato chutney with your dosas and idlis, here's the new option that you can try. This is made from onions. So the ingredients list is given below, do check it out. And for more such recipes, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell. So let's jump right in. So on low flame, I've heated some coconut oil and I'm adding some curry leaves into it. We'll let the curry leaves flutter a bit. After this, I'm going to add some finely sliced onions to this. Now, onions are the main ingredient for this dish. So we're going to saute the onions nicely. And we're going to just caramelize this for some time. So make sure the flame is low. We don't want the onions to burn because it will spoil the taste. We just need to brown it a bit. So to help the process, I'm adding some salt to taste. I'm going to mix everything together. Spread out the onions nicely. And then we'll just cook this until they turn light brown in color. So this is the only difficult process in this recipe. You have to wait for the onions to brown nicely. So make sure you keep stirring it once in a while so that it doesn't burn. Now this is the color I was expecting to reach. Now at this point we're going to add some Kashmiri chilli powder. I'm using Kashmiri chilli powder to give it a nice red color. You can use normal chilli powder as well. Now mix everything together. Now we have to add a few more ingredients to this. A little bit of coriander leaves. I'm adding it just like that because we're going to grind this anyways. Now it's time to add a little bit of tamarind. Mix everything together and we can just switch off the gas. Now all that we have to do is cool this mixture nicely and then put it in the mixie and coarsely ground it. So you can see the chutney is ready. Now this is really yummy with curd rice, idli, dosa, etc. So do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll be back with a new recipe next time. Until then, bye bye.